Dear aspirants, welcome to my channel. This is an model question paper 2 3 marks question, basic surveying. So very important questions I am going to explain. Explain the procedure for interpolate contour between the known points. So how you are going to interpolate contour between a known points, now you are going to learn the procedures. So first point will be an identify known points. So for example, if we given A and point B is a known elevations, and horizontal distance also we known. So next we have to choose a contour intervals. After that, selecting the contour line, we need to, for example, you can take 1 meter, 2 meter, define vertical distance between the contour lines. You have to take the contour line, define vertical difference. Next, we have to go for interpolation of elevations. So we have to divide horizontal distance between two equal points, equal parts, based on the which type of the contour you need. Use linear interpolation by calculating the intermediate point of the elevation points. We need to find out. For that we have formula. So interpolation of elevation, we need next to this interpolate the elevation. So we have to divide whole area into number of linear parts. So we have formula for that. Elevation of intermediate point, how you are going to elevation of point A plus total distance between intermediate points into elevation of point B minus elevation of point A. This formula we have to use to calculate the intermediate points. Next, what we have to do, we have to plot the contours. So how you are going to plot the contour? Calculate intermediate elevation between line connecting A and point B. Whatever space will be there, evenly space and smooth surface, you will get it. So this process will be takes place elevation between intermediate points. We can help you to create two known points. Based on this procedure, you can create a accurate known points. Next will be and give a real life example for contour gradients are crucial. So you have to give the it is a very difficult crucial gradients. How you are going to give? For example, road design of hilly area. We have to design a road on hilly. This is an hilly. There we have to construct the road. It may be an zigzag. You can see already, in hilly how the road will be there. So we have to design a road in hilly or mountain terrain. So we have to understand the contour gradient is very crucial. It's very difficult. Okay. So in the construction of gradient in the terrain, it will be affected on road slope, drainage and overall safety. Safety also we need to take care of the construction of road design in a hilly area. So how it will be crucial, with a live example I'll explain why it is important. So in the steep, for example, hilly area we have too steep. Okay, we need high gradient you are going to consider, we are going to take. It can be dangerous for the vehicle, especially in the rainy and snow conditions, if the gradient will be very steep. Okay, so we have to take a proper contour gradient, both the safety of driver and safety of the road, and it will be an long term, suitable for long term. That will be one of the important. And why application? If you surveyor in the construction of the contour map, the roads, the following nature of the slope of the land, we need to know the slope of the land, how the terrain of the land, and based on that we have to fix the contour gradients, and we have to minimize the steep. Okay, we have to ensure we need to provide a proper drainage system and like landslides and water pooling and all we have to give. So why this is contour gradient is crucial, ensuring road safety, functional and durability. That also we have to see that construction of the road. Next question is state any three precautions using prismatic compass. So we have to ensure compass should be balanced. How it will be balanced? Always you have to avoid leveling and balancing the flat surface while taking the measurement. Always if your compass is tilted, incorrect reading will be takes place. So always whenever you are taking the reading, you have to check your compass in such a way that it should be an leveled flat. So and whenever you will take the reading, that time you have to check it. Next, avoid magnetic interference. Nothing but if you have to keep compass away from the magnetic materials like iron objects, vehicles and electrical equipments and electrical poles also, it will be affected. So if it will be near to the electrical instruments, So the needle will not give you proper reading. You will get a wrong reading. Based on this, we have to avoid the magnetic interference. The third point is check the zero errors. So before using a prismatic compass, we have to check zero error. So with the help of the needle and graduated scales. For example, if your error will be an zero error, it will be showing zero error. So whatever reading you will get an accurate readings. Next question, justify why plane surveying suitable for small area only. So plane surveying nothing but it is an plane, name only indicate it is an plane. Land should be flat. The plane survey, there only we are using plane surveying. So let us consider, assume the flat earth surface is flat. So the plane survey assuming earth is flat, which is in the small distances accurate, it will give the small distances accurate value in a small distances, but large area curvature of earth we have to consider. There we are using geodetical surveying. So that account it is required. The ground should be an flat, it is required. Next, limited accuracy. So if you use plane survey, based on a plane survey, we are assuming the surface will be flat. Okay, all the lines, horizontal distances measure in the flat plane. So simplifying, introducing error while applying a large area, less accuracy overall the distance. We will get a less accuracy overall distances. And what about regarding scale measurements? In the plane survey, we are used for small scale projects. We are using plane survey in small scale project, building constructions, local land surveying, just measuring the land. So if the area too small, earth curvature will affected by this measurement significantly. In the larger area, the curvature of earth and spheroidal calculation is very difficult doing in the plane surveying. That's why they are going to use it for small areas in the plane surveying. See more information, please subscribe my channel. Next to model question papers answers I am going to upload 3 marks question, and also I am going to upload 5 marks and 10 marks questions with problems. See, subscribe my channel, share, support, and also you have to inform your friends, those who are going to write civil. So inform to join my channel and make a use of my content. Thank you.